A scientific study proves that exercise isn't as important as drinking wine when it comes to living past 90 years of age. There is nothing more precious than being able to live a healthy and happy life and experience all the beauties that life has for us. Unfortunately, many people are not that lucky to have experience of these priceless moments. Wine can help you live longer. Over the past few years, there have been various medical breakthroughs. The experts have found many cures that can keep people healthy. One study that examined old people over 90 showed interesting results. The experts discovered incredible conclusion. The aim of the study was to examine some clinical pathological correlations, examine rates of functional and cognitive decline in old people, determine the modifiable risk factors for dementia and mortality, determine the factors connected to their longevity, research the epidemiology of dementia in the old patients. The chosen participants made various neurological and neurophysiological tests twice a year. Drink from the bottle or the glass. Drinking wine often can be really beneficial. However, you should drink it in moderation, not drink one whole bottle with your dinner. According to the Mayo Clinics, people 65 are recommended to drink 1 drink while people who are under 65 are recommended to have 2 drinks. One standard drink is 1.5 ounces of distilled spirits, 5 fluid ounces of wine or 12 fluid ounces of beer. Health benefits of the moderate consumption of alcohol. Reduces risk of any heart disease. Reduces any chance of ischemic stroke. Reduces the risk of diabetes. Another study examined the relation between the physical activity and the negative effect drinking has. The study includes 36,370 participants divided into 3 groups. The first group included people who exercise on a regular basis, the second group included people who exercise moderately, while the third group included who don't exercise at all. The participants were also examined about the amount of alcohol they consumed. The study lasted for 10 years. During these years, there were 5,735 total deaths. It has been shown that hazardous drinking was associated with an increased risk of death in different health problems. The researchers discovered that the risk of cancer death especially became increased when the people drank more drinks in 1 week. In comparison to the amount of exercise they did, in people who were physically active, the risk of cancer death due to alcohol was completely wiped off.